Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Brand24 tool. Brand24 is a tool that you can use to do market research on social media. Whether you're looking to do research on Instagram or you have a blog and you would like to do keyword research, you can use Brand24. As you can see, it can be used for hashtag search, backlinks checker, and numerous other features. To get started is completely free. All you will need to do is tap on sign up free, and from there you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create an account. Once you have created your account, you can see enter brand, competitor, or hashtag to monitor. And I'm just going to be entering AI for example. So let's say AI and AI tools. So I'll do that right there. And you can also enter a hashtag. So the hashtag that I will be monitoring will be AI. Then you're going to tap on next. From here, you can select the language. I'm going to be selecting English. Then you're going to tap on create project. After selecting create project, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. So just give it a few seconds. Once it loads up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here, all you'll need to do now, you can connect the different sources. So for example, you could connect your Facebook account. You can also connect your Instagram account right there. And to do research based on the keywords that you have chosen, for example, on TikTok, you could simply select TikTok right there. After you have selected TikTok, you can see the mentions and you can scroll down and you can see different persons that have mentioned it. So if I were to, for example, select videos right here, you're going to see how many times it has been mentioned and the different type of videos that have been created, for example, on YouTube. So as you can see right here, this video was created on YouTube. So you can see this was created today, Fireship. And by scrolling down, you can see the different platforms that AI videos were created on. And you can also see the date. So if you are interested to do research on a particular channel, you can simply select the channel name. And then from there, you can go more in depth. So for example, if I were to select the channel name, it will redirect me to that particular channel and the video that they created on the topic that I have chosen. And that's not all. If you want to go even more in depth, you can go over to the left hand menu option and select summary. Once you have selected summary, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll see the most popular mentions of the keyword or the hashtag that you have chosen. You can also scroll down and you can see the top public profiles that have mentioned it, and you can see the most influential sites right there. So you can see that the most influential site for AI and AI tools is YouTube, as most persons are consuming videos on YouTube about this. And you can see the mentions right there, and you can see the social media reach and the stats. And if we were to go over once more, you can use their AI Insights feature, or you can tap on analysis. After doing that, you're going to be redirected to a new page. And there are other features that you can use, for example, their comparison feature. But to use this, you'll need to go onto their paid plan. You can also use Brand24 to find influencers depending on what you want to target by simply tapping on influencers from the left-hand menu option. After you have done that, you can see the amount of following and you can see their voice share and so on. You can see their score right here. So once you have found these influencers, for example, let's say you're promoting a product or so on, you can do outreach as you have now found their name, and you can see that they are doing related videos or posts based on what you would like to promote. So this is a helpful platform, but what I don't like about it is majority of the features you need to pay, majority of the in-depth features. But otherwise from that, it is good to do basic research. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button